Hey, I'm about to share with you a really cool tip that you can start doing today to help grow your YouTube channel from 0 subscribers. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video we talking about YouTube and growing your channel. Now, this method that I'm about to share with you is something that I know is super cool. I haven't even done it yet. Well, I haven't done it on this channel, but I kind of done it on my other fitness channel, and it actually is a really cool way to start if you are a YouTube beginner and actually growing your channel, getting more subscribers, getting more watch time, all of that good stuff. And it is very simple. Do YouTube collaborations, right? This is something that I only seen like one or two other YouTubers talk about. Like all these methods for making money with YouTube and getting started with YouTube. I haven't seen a lot of people talk about this. Now it's a known thing that it just makes sense. You know what I mean? That the more eyeballs you can get to your videos, the better. At the end of the day, no matter how you look at it, the more views you get, the better. So imagine getting with another YouTuber, or several YouTubers, and actually collabing. You can do a video, for your channel. They could do a video and put you on their channel, and then they can send their subscribers to you. You can send your subscribers to them. So you might be thinking, well, yeah, how's that gonna work? If I only got 0 subscribers, who wanna deal with me? Like, who wanna, you know what I mean? Like, I have nothing to offer. Not true, because a lot of people just they understand that, okay, even though you might have 0 subscribers, your video might pop off and get a lot of views. So just because you don't have subscribers now, and obviously the person will know you're new to YouTube, right? But they're gonna look at it as like, yo, that's just more potential for me. That's more opportunity for me. Because if the video we do together might get, 30,000 views, who cares that they started with 0 subscribers? The video did good. So a lot of people will be willing to work with you. Now, you might be thinking, oh, that's a great idea, but I don't even know any YouTubers, and like I don't want to reach out to people. I don't want to find their contact information. That just seems like a hassle, right? I get it. I get it. I'm down there like that too. Now, what you can do, there's 2 websites I'm going to put in the link. One is more like an app that you could just download on your phone. Another one's a website. All right. The first one is called YouTube Collabs. All right. Or I think it's You Collabs, right? I'll put, like I said, I'll put the link below. This is a place where you can just find other YouTubers. It's all that's on there. It's just YouTubers. YouTubers looking for other YouTubers, right? You can go on there and find different niches, like what niche is that you're in, or what niche that you want to collab with, and you can connect with people. So it's not anything awkward. Like you're like, man, these people, I don't want to contact them. I don't want to reach out to them. They want you to. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what the site is. They want you to connect because they're looking for collabs, right? It's that simple. Another place you could go to is called channel pages. All right, channel pages. Once again, I'm going off the top of my head. Links will be below. You can check these out. But this is another place where you can go and find people looking to collab with you. So if you're thinking of like how you could collab, for example, you could even just do an interview. You could find a collab and you could just do an interview. You could interview that person for your channel, and vice versa. They could interview you or whatever. Or you guys could just literally do something together, like do a skit together. Y'all could do share different information and stuff like that, right? Another cool thing is you don't have to even be in the same state, the same room, the same country, right, to do collab videos. Because now when you got different streaming platforms, especially with Skype, me and my sister do Skype videos. She's in Arizona, I'm in Ohio. We do Skype videos for our fitness channel all the time. And you could actually do the split screen with Skype, and you can film it. It don't even gotta be live. You guys could just film Skype, you guys could edit it or do what you need to do, and you could do it that way. Guys don't even have to be in the same state or country to do collab videos, guys. So think about it. Think outside the box. Find some YouTube. Now, it would be nice to find YouTubers that already have, somewhat subscribers. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't expect a YouTuber with 100,000 subscribers to collab with you, but you never know. But look for somebody that just kind of getting started with you. You know what I mean? Maybe they got a couple hundred subscribers, and reach out to them and come up with some good ideas. That's another thing. Come to the table already kind of with some good ideas. You know what I mean? And something that you think your viewers would like, and something that you would think that would really, help your channel and get your channel going. You know what I mean? So guys, YouTube collabs can definitely help grow your YouTube channel quickly. It can help it, like I said, with watch time, monetization, all of that good stuff. And you can build up a network by just, collabing with other YouTubers. All right. So hopefully you got something from this video. This was a good one. All right. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, comment below, show that love. Also, if you're looking for a really cool way to make money online, you got to check out my #1 recommended program, link below. You can check that out, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out my #1 recommended program for making money online. If you want to be your own boss and be able to work from anywhere in the world, click the link in the description.